Okay, so if you were looking at figure 13.2 on page 428, all this diagram is explaining what happens when you add a covariate into your analysis. So the top half up here is when you were just running a regular ANOVA, just like we did this week, okay? So you've got total variance. So variance is what is explaining happiness, okay? So variance in happiness being explained by the puppies, and then there's unexplained variance. So there's things that we don't know of that explain happiness. So that's just a regular ANOVA. Jump down here to model number B, or idea B. So we've got happiness, and happiness is explained by puppies. And we have unexplained variance, but we're putting in a covariate, which is contributing to a smaller unexplained variance, which is ultimately telling us, okay, how much of happiness is really related to puppies versus whether or not a person likes the puppy, okay? And then you have this option C, which is not the best option. It's when you have a covariate that is varying also with puppies as well as unexplained variance. All right, so notice this box in here. So now this is sharing the puppies explaining happiness and the error explaining happiness. So it's not a great model. The best model, and the reason I have the star here, is when you have covariates that are not also varying with the independent variable, such as puppies.